Yeah, sneaker of the year. For sure. Do y'all see the SB logo change? On the turf. One block. At a time. In loving memory. Don't be a lame. What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. And today in my hand is the one block at a time, born and raised Nike SB Dunk. And man, the release date was crazy. We didn't know when they was coming. Been waiting on them for 3 months. In hand, guys, the hype is real. They're fire. I mean, just look at that switches. Come on, guys, man. These came out September 28th officially on the Born and Raised website. My birthday's the 27th. I was in Miami. I wasn't doing nothing until I knew what time they were dropping, and then when they dropped, I was driving. But that didn't stop me from securing these. And when I say securing these, the bag is real, man. And it keep going up like $15 every hour. So to get to the information of the sneaker, the release date kept changing because one of the co-owners of the Born and Raised brand tragically passed away in, I think, Mexico in a car accident. So that's why sneakers pulled it, and that's why the price tag is up there, man. It only came out one place, one time, one day. Some people thought we was going to get a sneaker release, so they was able to get their pair, but it didn't happen. Let's unbox them. Unboxing time. Yes, sir. So you get that Nike SB box we've been getting for the year. Nice, glossy, vanilla, chrome look. I don't even know what you call this color. Maybe off-white. But yeah, you get that same one. I kind of missed the quick stripe box, but I like this. I like the classic look. Very dope. Very glossy. You see the light. It says Nike SB Dunk Low Pro QS Deep Royal White Black. When you flip open the lid, you get a quality control stamp in there. Get that. Right there, you see it. And you get that tissue paper that you get in the SBs. On all my videos, I've been calling it like tree bark. No one in the comments has told me what this is. I know it has something to do with skating. It should, but to me it just looked like tree bark, cartoon tree bark. And let's start with the right shoe. And here's a 360 view of the Born and Raised Nike SB one block at a time joints. Now, off the bat, I know y'all probably can see it because it's 4K, but the material, man, you gotta get this sneaker in hand. Again, I know it's expensive. Just go to Flight Club, go to a store, just get it in hand. I'm telling you, you're gonna fall in love, man. Like, this, you don't know if this is leather or nubuck suede. It's very crazy. But at the beginning, the front, it says one block on the right shoe. You got one block in script letters. It does pop up a little bit like a fitted hat logo. One block. You see me brushing this. This is crazy, man. But my highlight of the sneaker has to be the whole change on the Nike Dunk toe box. To me, it looks like paisley, like, you know, like bandana. It could mean crosses too, but to me, it looked like that bandana print you get in the on a bandana design. But that's dope. But the toe box, guys, soft butter leather, guys. Like, it's so soft to touch that it don't really even bounce back too much. Very soft here, man. Come around, another highlight gotta be this swoosh. Now, they weren't the first to do this kind of jewel swoosh, but they probably did it the best. I don't know if y'all remember them school lunch dunks mids. That swoosh was dope too, the strawberry and the chocolate. But this one right here, just look at it, guys. This is dope. Behind that, you get sandwiched with white leather, the same leather you get on the toe box. That's very rare. Quality, guys, quality. And it's sandwiched in with the blue. A little bit of tumbleness back here, but that's because it's just so soft, guys. Bam. That pink right there stands out. Not only because it's the only pink, it's because this logo is rather huge. It's not one of them little logos that you usually see back here. This is a huge logo. Another first, well not first, but on the SB, I never seen a pop-out word on the back, but it reads "on the turf." Very, very dope, man. If this was pink too, it would be doper, but I like that there. Come here, you look close at this Nike SB logo. If it reflects when you move and it changes, guys. The Clout Dunk that I showed y'all a couple of weeks ago does do the same thing, so I'm not really hype about it, but together with this sneaker, fire. Going to the tongue now. On the tongue, it reads one block, I believe. It got the Born and Raised Nike SB logo there and the one block at a time in pink on the tag. You flip it to the back. It says "on the turf." Super dope. And this is very crazy. When you lift it up, very small, it says "don't be a lame." For Nike to let them do that, man, very dope. And don't be a lame. The insoles here has the Born SB logo, the same one that's on the tongue. And it looks like a city or a block. I can't really make it out, but it's definitely like a city picture or something colorful in there. You get 3 different shoelaces. One of them, well, both of them say "in memory" and "love in memory." I told y'all the co-owner died tragically. So it says "in love and memory" on the white shoelaces. But these pink ones, bandana print, is definitely the ones. These are the ones that I'm rocking with this sneaker. Y'all let me know in the comment section below which ones y'all think better. But if it ain't going to be the blue that comes laced in it, I'm definitely going with the pink with the blue. And speaking of pink, the bottom and the middle has a nice pink look. At the top, you get the Born SB logo again, and the back is blue. One of the best bottoms I've seen so far, because if you click back over to the sneaker, you can see it down here. You got the clear, the blue, the clear. It goes all the way around, guys. Dope look. That was the right. This is the left. So the right said "on one block." The left reads "at a time." I almost got confused there. But that's really the only difference from left to right. The back still does the same thing. Switches from Nike to Born depending on how you look at it. Same perfect look. Even the insoles are the same from right to left. I'm starting to dig these blue shoelaces. And the blue shoelaces also say "in love and memory" also. So maybe I won't switch them, man. Got to give them some kind of love. But yeah, right to left, nothing's changed. So here you have them side by side, one block at a time on the front. Both of them say "on the turf" in the back. Yo, these sneakers, they did it, man. Sneaker of the year, in my opinion. Yes, sir, man. So let me know in the comment section below how y'all feel about these. I know a lot of people ain't get their hands on them, and the resellers are taxing. I paid $600 from GOAT. I refused to pay $650. I even refused to pay $625. When I saw someone went down to $600, I was like, I'm gonna get them. I did see some with no box for like $580, but I know I don't use the boxes, but that's a little bit skeptical to me. Like, sneaker just came out and there's no box. Kind of weird, man. But this is definitely sneaker of the year for me right now. Right now. Y'all know I'm 94% hype beast. And I'm feeling these, man. I know when I showed y'all the polar blue joints last week, y'all were waiting on these, but I was getting them. Y'all, come on, y'all. I'm SB dude, man. Let me know how y'all feel about this, man. Retail 130 or 150, going for 600 to 700 is wild to me. But the hype is there because the sneaker is quality, guys. Trust me. I'm gonna do the satin bread joints for y'all maybe tomorrow. I just had to get these out, man. Let me know how y'all feel about these in the comment section below. RIP to the owner, man. Everybody get rich.